Explain like I'm 5. Why are deserts filled with such fine sand while everywhere else is rocky? Here's the answer. Picture a desert in your mind. It's likely you're imagining a wide, endless sea of fine, golden sand under a hot sun. This image, common to most of us, brings about this intriguing question. Well, the story of desert sand begins with the power of the sun and the wind. Deserts, as you might know, are places that get very little rain. But they get plenty of sun, and the sun heats up the rocks during the day, causing them to expand. Then, when night falls, the rocks cool down and contract. This daily cycle of heating and cooling can cause the rocks to crack and break into smaller and smaller pieces over a very long time. Now, this is where the wind comes into play. The wind in the desert can be quite strong, and it picks up these small pieces and carries them across the desert. As these tiny pieces move and collide with each other, they become even smaller and rounder, turning into what we recognize as sand. But what about the other types of soil like clay and dirt? Why don't we see more of them in the desert? Well, these types of soil need water to help them stick together. Without enough rain, they dry out and the wind can easily blow them away. But sand particles are just the right size that they don't get blown away as easily. That's why, over time, you end up with a lot of sand in deserts and less of other types of soil. So the next time you see pictures of a desert or are lucky enough to visit one, take a moment to appreciate the sand.